by She Me Her, by me, by Jacola Lynette. Okay. I'm so awkward.
Getting on it and falling all over love. Regular. Boy, be the tightest rope. Before we drift any deeper. Really not hold me close.
Hey boos, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jacola Lynette. If you're new here, before we get into this video, baby, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and press that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified every time your girl uploads a new video. Now today's video is all about nails, honey, okay? Press on nails at that. So I just launched my new press ons, Pressed by She Me Her, and that is my press on collection. You guys can shop. I just filmed this video on how I prepped and put my nails on. This is the style Bubblegum, and the shape is Long Coffin Ballerina, whichever shape you want to say. Now I never really do long nails. I'm more of a minimum short girl, but these are fire, honey, okay? These is cute, and that's on period, okay? So if you guys want to see how I put these on, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed, cleansed, and freshly washed, cleansed, clean nails and hands. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my cuticle pusher, and I'm going to go ahead and push my cuticles back. And after my cuticles are all pushed back, I'm going to go ahead and take my nail file, and I'm going to go ahead and just buff the top of my nails, making sure that there is no shine. And each nail kit comes with an alcohol pad, a fingernail file, press on nails, of course, and glue. Okay, so that is my nails all buffed. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go ahead and take an alcohol pad, and I'm going to cleanse my nail. Just making sure I get all that dirt and dust off. Okay, and after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and size my nails and make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. And once I know that they fit, which I know these ones do, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that make sure that I'm good to go to put them on. And these are my bubblegum nails and the Long Coffin Ballerina. So now that I know that those are the right sizes, I'm going to take my nail glue, and I personally like to put a little bit of glue right here on the nail, and I'm going to flip
power off
the nail over, and I'm going to make sure it's straight, and I'm going to hold. And then boom, voila. So I'm going to do that to all the other nails. Put the glue, and I only put the glue on to the nail and instead of my nail. I'm going to flip it, make sure it's straight, press it down, and you might need to hold it a little bit just to make sure that your nail is on. It's always best to do your dominant hand first and then do your non-dominant hand. That way, you know you won't put your dominant nails on crooked. And then I usually just take the alcohol wipe just in case there's some glue spilled over. And boom, you have one hand done. Those are our nails. Okay, talk to me. They look really good on. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and put some cuticle oil on. So that's what they look like. Shop different shades, styles, shapes, designs, anything, honey. You think of it, you name it, we got you, okay?